Over $800 million is wasted every year on fuel additives that do absolutely nothing. And mechanics love it. Your mistake is their paycheck. Today I'm revealing the 7 fuel additives that actually work, protect your engine, and save you real money. I'll expose the biggest scam brands on shelves right now that you should avoid at all costs. Let's start with fuel injector cleaners. 7. Liqui Moly Jectron Fuel Injection Cleaner. Liqui Moly Jectron is a German fuel system cleaner made especially for European cars like Audi, BMW, and Mercedes. It's tested and approved under strict TÜV standards, so you know it's safe and high quality. This cleaner focuses on removing carbon buildup inside your engine. It helps fuel spray better, makes the engine idle smoothly, and improves cold starts, all without damaging seals or sensors. Mechanics often use it to fix engines that hesitate, knock, or stumble, saving owners from costly repairs. The formula works deep into the fuel injectors and intake system, breaking down stubborn dirt and improving how the engine burns fuel. After just one tank, drivers often notice quicker throttle response and sometimes better fuel economy. If your high-mileage European car feels rough or sluggish, Jectron can make it run smoother and more responsive. No tools or mechanical work needed. It's a trusted favorite among European car enthusiasts. 6. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus is one of the most trusted fuel system cleaners, used by dealerships and respected by mechanics. It contains a strong dose of polyetheramine, PEA, a chemical proven to remove carbon deposits, varnish, and sludge from injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Unlike cheap cleaners that do little more than add fragrance to fuel, Techron actually brings back lost performance. Mechanics use it to smooth rough idles, stop misfires, fix hesitation, and improve fuel economy, often without any mechanical work. It can even help clear some check engine light issues caused by dirty injectors. Recommended by automakers like GM, Techron can boost throttle response, improve MPG, and lower emissions after just one tank. For high-mileage cars or engines that feel sluggish, it's one of the few store-bought products that truly works. Just pour it in, drive, and let the proven formula do the job. 5. Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple Max Clean is a premium 3-in-1 fuel system, cleaner, restorer, and protector designed for drivers who want more than basic maintenance. It cleans the entire fuel system, injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, while also keeping stored fuel stable and free from degradation. Independent lab and dyno tests back its claims, showing up to 3.2% better fuel economy, 2.6% more horsepower, and emissions reduced by as much as 18%. Mechanics recommend it for daily drivers, motorcycles, classics, and weekend performance cars, as it restores throttle response and smooth idle without engine teardown. Suitable for both gasoline and diesel engines, Max Clean also protects against gum, varnish, and corrosion, ensuring long-term reliability. Whether you're bringing an older vehicle back to life or keeping your high-performance ride in top shape, this is one of the few over-the-counter products that delivers measurable, proven results along with lasting protection. 4. Boostane Professional Octane Booster. Boostane Professional transforms regular pump gas into high-performance, track-ready fuel. Unlike most octane boosters that barely make a difference, it can raise octane levels up to 116, depending on the mix. It's a go-to choice for turbocharged builds, high-compression engines, and street cars needing extra knock protection under heavy load. The formula uses a proprietary anti-knock blend with true octane-boosting compounds, not just alcohol or fillers, and it's safe for oxygen sensors and catalytic converters. Mechanics trust it to prevent detonation in tuned engines when premium fuel isn't enough. With Boostane's free app, you can calculate the perfect mix for your target octane, giving you precise control and consistent, confident performance. 3. Torco Unleted Fuel Accelerator. Torco Unleted Fuel Accelerator is essentially race fuel in a can, complete with the signature smell. Using methylcyclopentadienyl manganese tricarbonyl, MMT, It can boost octane from 91 to over 102 when mixed correctly. This makes it ideal for high compression engines, turbo or supercharged builds, and performance setups that need serious knock protection. Mechanics caution, it's powerful. Misuse can foul plugs or affect catalytic converters. But when used properly, it eliminates detonation, improves throttle response, and unlocks hidden horsepower. Torco is the go-to when race fuel like VP or Sunoco 110 isn't available, offering portable, reliable performance for street or strip. It's made for drivers who want consistent, controlled power under extreme conditions, not everyday grocery runs. 2. Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment. Hot Shot Secret EDT is a must-have for diesel owners, protecting against the wear caused by today's ultra-low sulfur diesel, ULSD, which lacks the natural lubricity older engines relied on. This all-in-one additive boosts cetane, adds critical lubrication, cleans injectors, stabilizes fuel, and controls moisture. Trusted by fleet operators and long-haul truckers, it helps extend the life of injectors and high-pressure pumps while improving overall performance. Its key ingredient, LX4 Lubricity Extreme, reduces friction and shields vulnerable CP4 pumps from costly failures. Its just one dose can smooth idle, improve throttle response, and even boost fuel economy slightly. Whether towing, hauling, or commuting, Hot Shot Secret EDT keeps your diesel engine running stronger, longer, and protected from expensive breakdowns. 1. Power Service Diesel Clean plus Cetane Boost. Power Service Diesel Clean plus Cetane Boost is a trusted cold weather additive relied on by truckers and fleet mechanics for decades. It increases cetane by up to 6 points, allowing diesel fuel to ignite faster and burn cleaner. The result is quicker starts, smoother idle, and stronger performance under load, especially in winter when engines often feel sluggish. It also cleans dirty injectors, restores lost power, and adds much-needed lubrication to protect against the dryness of modern ultra-low sulfur diesel, ULSD. Another major benefit is its anti-gel properties, which help prevent fuel from thickening in freezing temperatures, reducing no-start mornings and white smoke on cold starts. Mechanics use it to revive underperforming power strokes, clear up Duramax smoke, and bring tired Cummins engines back to life. Affordable, easy to find at truck stops, and effective year-round, Diesel Clean is a proven solution for keeping diesel engines running strong in any season.